Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to get State of Decay 2 mods on Linux or other pack files on Linux. Now, on Linux you can't use a mod integrator or any kind of mod integration menu. So this means like if you use Wine or Proton or whatever compatibility layer you're using, it will not want to run over Linux. So I'm going to show you how to run mods on Linux, and this is meant for State of Decay 2, and it could work for other games, but this is mostly for State of Decay 2. So firstly, what you want to do is you want to go to whatever OS you're using. I'm using Manjaro Linux, but you want to open up either a command line or like add or remove software, and from this you'll probably need to download either virtual machine software or you can download Windows on a different partition and dual boot. However, in this case I am using virtual machine manager, as you can see. So once you download Virtual Machine Manager, what you want to do is, make one. There's obviously tutorials out there that will make one, but it's honestly simple. Now, you don't have to do a GPU pass-through, which I have in this one, a GPU pass-through. But in this one, I'm just using a simple virtual machine software. Now, if you want to get mods on Linux, this is the only way, unless they don't use mod integrators or mod managers and all that. But once you make a virtual machine or dual boot, either on Steam Deck or your PC, you want to boot into it. Now, first time I did it, I downloaded the game and that worked, but that one takes more time. But what you want to do is download the mod manager or mods and then load into the mod manager. Now, for State of Decay 2, I'm using this mod manager and by Kai Helios, and you want to get all the mods that you want. Now, I've got all my mods. I've done it on my Linux, and it works fine. Now, once you get all your mods, you will not probably have this mod right here. I guarantee you that. But once you get all your mods, press Create Integration Pack. Now, when you get your Create Integration Pack, you'll probably get all the packs. Now, this is where you will have to probably install the game. So before you do this, maybe install the game on the virtual machine. This allows it so you can get actually the pack files. But you can try it without the games installed and see if it makes the actual directory. Now, once you actually install the game, create the integration pack, you want to actually go to the directory of the integration pack. So that is just Windows key plus R, and then write %local AppData %, press OK. Then go back to AppData and actually just stay on local, and then go to State of Decay 2 saved, and then packs. Now, as you can see here, we have the same packs that we do in the mod integrator. Now, what you want to do, what I did, is either copy them to a USB, because I have a PCI USB slot, so I just pass that through, or you can use Messenger on the PC. So send these to yourself on Messenger, and I tried it on Messenger and it works fine. And then from here, you could just simply go to the top and then force off. Now, you're probably on Linux right now, either on Steam Deck or whatnot. So from here, you want to go to your Steam directory on Linux. So as you can see, I already have my files here, but it's basically, if you don't know the directory, I'll leave it in the comments. But if you want to quickly have a look, this is my directory to my saved. So you just have to go to steamapps, compatdata, and then find your app ID and then go to the prefix. Now, when you're here, you will probably not have a Paks file for State of Decay 2 or whatever game, depending on the game, of course. If you do not, write the Paks folder and make sure you put it with a capital P. as I think a lowercase p will not probably work. Now, depending where you actually copy the files to, Messenger, USB, WhatsApp, whatever, get them and then paste them into here. And then, once they're into here, you can just simply launch up the game and it'll work. Now, I will probably launch up the game and show you guys. I don't know if this resolution will actually show you because I am using a ultra wide monitor, but I scaled it down to 16.9. So we'll have to probably see about that. But let's launch up the game and I'll probably show you. So I'm not going to cut anything, so you know that I'm still on manager on Linux and I haven't cut, Windows machine. And these mods are installed, like the developer menu and the in-game clock is running on Linux. Now, before, the developer menu either worked on Linux, but I think I actually had the game on Windows and I transferred it to Linux. Now, we're just going to go into one of the communities. And once you load in, if you don't see anything, that's fine, but once you load in, you can either press F2 for the developer menu if you downloaded it, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a developer menu on the left side of the screen, and I'll press the in-game clock, which should show up. The in-game clock is on the left side, so that will not see, but this is working fine. I'll probably show some footage at the end of me running out on ultra wide. So you can actually see that it's running. But that's how you run, mods that need a mod manager on Linux. If you need any help, I will, respond to comments in the description. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in one of my next videos. Bye.